Welcome. In this video, I will briefly explain how to control your JVC Smart TV using Alexa app. To do this, we're going to have to download and install the Alexa app on our mobile device, no matter whether it's an Android or an iPhone, smartphone. We first going to have to download the Alexa app from either the Play Store or the App Store. So open it and open the search field. Then let's search for Alexa application. Find the Alexa in your store. Find Amazon Alexa from Amazon Mobile and tap install. Then wait until this application is downloaded and installed on your smartphone. And once it is, you have to open it. Okay, let's wait for it to install. Now, once we open this application, let's sign into the same Amazon account that we are already signed in to on our TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to enter either our mobile number or email in the first field. And then tap continue. And then enter your password. I'm gonna do this off the screen. And tap sign in and wait until you are signed into your Amazon account. Then we're gonna have to go through the introduction screen. So select your account. Usually it's an account holder. Then let's skip this step. Set up my features and let's well, we can allow Alexa access our contacts, but we don't need this for the TV. Let's skip this too. Notifications can be skipped too. That's everyone done. Yeah. And now we can get to use this application to control our TV. So later. Now, in order to access our TV and our TV settings in this application, we're gonna have to tap the light bulb icon on the bar below and then select your TV. Now here we can check the remote status. We can switch the speakers between the built-in speaker and the external ones. We can change the device location, time zone, group. In general settings, we can adjust sound. We can enable or disable do not disturb mode. We can also enable or disable adaptive listening. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to focus, make camera focus on the smartphone's screen. I guess the way it will be better. Okay, let me just adjust the brightness a little bit because my brightness doesn't seem to be working right. And yeah, as you can see, the language, the screensaver, measurement units. So most of these features are also available on the TV itself. But besides, we can also ask Alexa something here or ask Alexa to do something, for example, on our TV. And we can also schedule routines for our TV. To do so, we're gonna have to tap on this icon right here, then go to routines. And then to create a new routine, we're gonna have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner. For some reason, I can't even tell whether there is a plus in there. The camera is miraculous today. Yeah, so the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, in when we have to select any event. For example, schedule. Let's schedule auto turn off for our TV, for example. So let's schedule. Let's make our TV to turn it off at sunset, and then let's select time offset. So how many minutes before or after sunset? So let's say 10 minutes after sunset each day, our TV has to be turned off. Then location. We're gonna have to select a location. Okay, let's go with this point on map. Tap save. then tap next, and then let's add an action, and in an action we will have to select our TV. So find your Fire TV and then select your JVC, and now we can make our TV do all kinds of stuff like pause video, decrease volume, increase volume, turn off, turn on. Now, so I said it will be an auto turn off schedule, so I'm gonna select turn off, and then let's tap next, and then let's save this routine by tapping save at the bottom. And this way we just made our TV automatically turn off each day after 10 minutes after sunset somewhere in Washington. Yeah, that's basically it. That's pretty much all the capabilities or possibilities for you with the Alexa app for controlling your JVC Smart TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.